sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hey you guys, this is a tutorial on this espresso 3-pack curly spiral hair. I seen it in the store and I was like, oh, this would be a good, cute, curly wig. You know, the pack costs $9.99. I got 2 packs. And like I said, it came with 3 little bundles. 3 little bundles and like a little circle closure. And I bought 2 packs of the hair of the packs. Continue watching. So I have my foam head here, circle good foam head. Now I'm gonna put my shower cap on so that the glue won't stick, so the wig won't stick to the to the styrofoam head. Now I put my dome cap on to make the wig. I get my pump it up. I use pump it up just to kind of seal the glue in to the dome cap so it'll last longer. So that way it just helps it stick there. So I'm just putting all over the head. Going in with my blow dryer to kind of seal all that in. Then I did this off camera, but I went ahead and measured the circumference of my head to make sure the wig fit like really snug on my head, because I don't want a big wig. So that's what I did, and I put the dome cap back on the mannequin. This is it. This is what you got. So I went ahead and pre-cut my track so I can just glue and go. And basically I'm just gluing my tracks from left to right as I, just go up the head. And as you get to the top of the head, you basically just gonna be going around in a circle till you get to the top, until you make a circle at the top of the head. And you can see that part when I get there. So I'm just going and going till I get to the top of the head. See, I'm going around and around. Once you get around and around, you have a circle at the top. Once you have that circle at the top, now you can get your little circle closure piece, cut the little net off around it, and basically just gonna glue it where the circle is. Blow dry it, spritz it, and your wig is made, honey. Simple, right? Very simple. Y'all can get some cheap hair just to kind of practice on, but just a nice cheap way just to have a cute little curly look, something simple and fast. I'm kind of like spreading the curls out, and this is her, all full, baby. Sit up so I can see you. She's all made. But couldn't stop there. I had to go in and cut some of this mess off. Honey. Not cute. So I went in with my shears and start to, go ahead and start to shape my curls. I'm just cutting along the face area to kind of frame the face with the curls. Hair getting all in the mouth. So I'm just cutting and shaping. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.